This video will show you how to use the extension in your Chrome on your mobile devices.
Hey everyone, so to install your Chrome extension in your mobile devices, it is actually not possible, but it would be possible if you download third-party apps. So you should download Kiwi. Yes, download Kiwi. Then go on to your Chrome, go to this tab right here, the three dot. After that is add on extension. And right here you can see the options, then press on plus or add from store, and then it will search the store or extensions that you want. So search on Kiwi. If you have now searched Kiwi, this is another app also, the PayPal Honey. Then you can add it as your extension and turn on the extension for that so you can use it.